Coco here, and I'm gonna play the arena, I'm gonna play the arena. Hooray! It says it's level 5, so it's supposed to be extra hard. Yay! I've been waiting, for a very excruciating day, because I needed to go to sleep. I'm gonna use the mirror. Is there any other things that I want over here? Well, I can only use one, and then I have a friend, don't I? I don't want a friend. Friends suck. I'm gonna totally try. What the fuck? I start right away from that last thing that I killed. Oh wait, that's not the last thing I killed. It was that bad thing. No! It almost got me. It almost got me. Okay. I gotta go through here. Where are you? Where are you? Somewhere here. Why didn't you move? Oh no! No! Oh, I have to do that again, don't I? Great. The first thing that gets to kill me is that. How did I not take damage the other time? So I keep going to the start just to go in there. Okay, cool. I killed Lolo. Now to kill Lala. I need to heal soon. Oh, there are tomatoes up here. I didn't notice that. I thought it was apples or a prop. Okay, cool. That's awesome. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill. Oh, that's not how I kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Huh. Run away. I hate you. Go die. Die, die, die. Die, die now. There. Oh, I see. The next guy is that chameleon fucker that I hate. No! Don't eat me, you bitch! Ah. Killed you, haha. I can totally beat that. Oh, they're crying. 'Cause I beat them like a boss. Oh, I see. No! Shit. So, what's against me is 5 things at once. You're a bitch. won't go away. And I died. I got 5 straight wins. No! Never gave up. I am totally beating this. Okay, trade mirror. I always think that's something else. Remember, Ryoko, that's sleep. No one gives a fuck. Oh my god! That's an enemy? And I just took a hit. Good eye, good eye. Come on, good eye. There you go, see? You died. Oh, it's a blue screen of death. Which appears. Took 46 damage. There you go. Four damage. All that for 4 damage. 18 damage. I am not doing that much damage. It does 0 damage. What the fuck? Okay, I'm closer to the mouth. That does 24 damage. $50 points. 4 damage. I avoid attack. Kirby does nothing for the attack. Kirby takes a time out. 24. Retreats. Oh my god. Are you serious? It only takes like 13 damage. $24 damage. How could he? You're right on top of me. 19 damage. Get down here. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you with the best shot. Flying away. Beep. Oh, so that's how you dash. Fuck. I didn't know. I was trying to figure out for a while. Where's the apples, dude? You're not gonna give me apples? Oh, you're the one who gives me apples. All they do is throw apples. You're not cool, dude. Of course. Ah. Be pissed. It's actually screwing up my screen every time it jumps. Do something, heavy lobster. I killed you. Haha. Shit! I got a sword, don't I? Let's hope you don't die. You're right there, dude. Why can't you kill me? Okay, I probably need a lot of help now. There. Go die. Didn't I kill you? Shit. It's 14 games. Should I get a tomato and... fuck, get a tomato. You electrocute me. Adam. Your name is Kracko? What a weird name. Kracko. Can I survive that? Oh, there's stone over there. Let's cheat. No, don't go there! Fuck you! Go, CP. Go, CP. Attack him. It's only after me. Yay! I was so... Oh, shit. No, okay, here we go. Go away! Sorry! Beep! Oh shit! I'm almost dead! No! Fuck you. Damn it! Sounds white wins. Fuck you. Okay. That did not work. Fucking hell. This is the first thing I actually go to. Avoid the cyclone. Okay. What the hell are you doing? No, fucker. Ah! You don't do anything to this guy. How can he be considered an enemy? I don't see that happen. What would happen if I would actually let him live? Ooh, my favorite! Fuck you! No! You ate me. You're a bitch. La 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 la. Okay, need this. Why? Because I know what a bitch that thing is. A lobster.